Hello my dear little champs, welcome to the general awareness class. Your ma'am is back again with yet another new topic. Do you want to know which topic? I'll tell you after reciting this rhyme. Children, look at this picture. This is a picture of an aeroplane, right? So now we are going to sing a rhyme on aeroplane. All of you join me. Are you all ready? Let's start. Here we go. Aeroplane, aeroplane up in the sky. Where are you going? Flying so high. Over the mountains and over the seas. Aeroplane, aeroplane, won't you take me? Children, that was very nice, right? Yes. Have you all seen an aeroplane, children? Where have you seen the aeroplane flying? Yes? Yes, aeroplane flies high up in the sky, right? Yes, it flies high, very up in the sky and in the air. So, aeroplane is an air transport. Okay, children? Aeroplane flies in the sky, in the air. Alright, so aeroplane is an air transport. So, today we'll be learning about vehicles in the air or air transport. Alright children, so now look at this aeroplane. Yes. So, aeroplane has got two wings. Can you see the two wings here? Just like a bird. Alright, it has got two wings and an aeroplane is run by a pilot. Okay children, and aeroplane carries many people from one country to another country. That means people can travel to very far off places by an aeroplane. Okay children? Children, look at this. Can you tell me the name of this water transport? Yes, it's a helicopter. Yes. What is its name? It's a helicopter. Yes. Helicopter can carry only 5 to 6 people at a time. Alright children? Yes. And can you see the blades over here on the top? Here, when the helicopter runs, the blades keep rotating like a fan. Alright children, so helicopter is an air transport. Children, have a look at this. Yes. So have you seen this air transport? Where have you seen this air transport? Yes. It flies high up in the sky, right? Yes. So only it is called air transport. So children, this air transport is called hot air balloon. Yes? Tell me. Hot air balloon. Only few people can fly in the hot air balloon. It floats in the sky. Alright children, can you tell the name once again? What is this? It's a hot air balloon. And now, look at this. It looks like an aeroplane, but it is not an aeroplane. This air transport is called jet. Yes, It is the fastest means of air transport. So can you tell the name once again? What is its name? Yes, it's a jet. You call it jet or a jet plane. Alright children. And this jet planes are used in military. Alright? Yes. So can you tell the name once again? It's a jet. Alright children. Now look at this one. What is this? Yes. This air transport is called a rocket. Can you tell the name once again? It is called a rocket. And you know what is a rocket used for? It is used for launching the spacecrafts. Alright children. So can you tell the name once again? Yes? Can you tell the name of this air transport? It is a rocket. Good. Children, the vehicles which have learned now, they travel in the air. All these vehicles, the jet plane, the hot air balloon, the helicopter, the rocket and the aeroplane, all these vehicles, they travel in the air. Alright, and so they are called as air transport. And air transport is the fastest means of transport. And now children, let's see the things in the airport. Children, this is an airport. So we'll see what all things are there in the airport. Alright, and see this vehicle. This is called a tanker filled with fuel. Okay, the fuel is used for the aeroplane, to run an aeroplane. So what is this called as? It is called as a tanker. Alright, and look here, a lady over here, she is the staff who attends the passengers. Alright children, she is a staff. And now look at this person inside the aeroplane. He is called as pilot. And who is a pilot? A pilot is the one who runs an aeroplane. Alright children, a pilot is a person who runs an aeroplane. Like a driver who runs a car? Yes. So, the one who runs an aeroplane is called a pilot. Alright, and see the lady over here who is standing here, she is called air hostess. Air hostess. She attends all the passengers and she provides all the requirements needed for the passengers. She also checks for the safety of the passengers. So she is called as what? Air hostess. She is a air hostess. And look at the person over here, he is a passenger. Who are passengers? Passengers are people who travel. Alright? Whether in a bus, a public bus, a train or an aeroplane. They are called passengers. So, he is a passenger who is traveling in the aeroplane. Who travels in the aeroplane. And look at this. This is the step ladder. Yes, step ladder. What is the purpose of the step ladder? You can get into the aeroplane with the help of this step ladder. You have to climb the step ladders and get into the aeroplane. Alright, and can you see here? It looks like a road, but yes, this is called runway. This is called what? Runway. And runway is a place where the aeroplane moves to take off and land. Alright, the aeroplane moves on the runway to take off and to land. While taking off or while landing, the aeroplane moves on the runway. Alright children? Yes, and this is an aeroplane. All of you know that, right? Yes, this is an aeroplane. And look at this. This is a luggage. People carry, right? When they travel, they carry so many things with them and they keep their things in a bag or a suitcase, right? So this is called luggage. Alright children? Yes. Now children, all of you get ready for the colorful activity. All of you get your drawing book. We'll draw hot air balloon and color it. I'm going to start. Hot air balloon is ready. Now we are going to color this hot air balloon. Children, look at this colorful hot air balloon. You also can draw and color a hot air balloon at home. Hope you all loved doing the colorful activity. So children, learn the names of the vehicles in the air and tell me during the online interactive class. So that's all for today. See you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.